Modern enterprises generate a staggering amount of data. For decades, the legal industry treated storage and search as the final hurdles, believing that simply finding a document was enough to close a case. Then came artificial intelligence. These systems scan millions of records in seconds, identifying patterns and generating summaries that humans used to spend months looking for. But we've reached a strange point. While machine computing power scales upward, the speed of human decision-making is slowing down. Even with high-speed AI, investigations are taking longer and costing more. AI produces insights faster than people can process them. Without a strategy for comprehension, more data simply creates more chaos. This structural failure mirrors a crisis in cybersecurity from years ago. Companies were drowning in alerts because they kept patching broken networks with individual fragmented firewalls. The industry only recovered by moving towards zero trust, a unified infrastructure that changed how every connection was authenticated. Zero trust is a security model based on the principle of never trust, always verify, requiring strict identity verification for every person and device. Today, law firms are attempting to fix a broken data model by buying more fragmented AI tools. The real constraint in the modern legal process is human cognition. A machine can summarize 1 million emails in a minute, but an attorney still has to evaluate the results. Expanding legal capacity requires an infrastructure category designed to bridge the gap between machine output and human understanding. This brings us to Human Understanding Bandwidth, or HUB. It represents the maximum rate humans can accurately comprehend information to make decisions. Cases take months to resolve because every decision relies on human judgment. To accelerate a case, the industry must widen this throughput. Xantaz Data Resources developed Legal Hub 3.0 to act as this specific infrastructure layer. Legal Hub 3.0 focuses on 3 constraints that slow down comprehension: untrusted data, unorganized context, and tool fragmentation. AI tools are ineffective unless the data they process is formatted for human logic. The Trusted Data Portal acts as the secure, universal gateway for all incoming digital evidence. Intake security is now a legal requirement. In United States v. Hepner, a court ruled that using public AI tools to analyze facts violates attorney-client privilege. The Trusted Data Portal secures this process using a Model Context Protocol, or MCP. An MCP is a governance layer that evaluates AI requests in real time to ensure machines only interact with authorized, policy-aligned data. Trust is the prerequisite for understanding. Unsecured AI represents a significant legal liability for the firm and the client. The portal uses an upstream refinery to filter out ROT, redundant, obsolete, and trivial data, comprising 60% of enterprise storage. It translates fragmented AI observations, structuring them into coherent context. This information becomes interactive timelines, conversational threads, and investigative narratives. By organizing these relationships, the portal presents evidence in the narrative format the human brain uses to process a story. With Legal Hub 3.0, organizations move from raw data to final decisions much faster. Attorneys no longer start from zero. They begin their review at 80% completion, navigating a pre-organized, defensible set of facts. This shifts the industry toward a new metric, the Hub Index. Success is no longer measured by the volume of data processed, but by the time it takes to understand a case. Scaling this capacity across an enterprise requires predictable costs. Xantaz provides an unlimited license to remove the financial friction of AI compute taxes and token burns. Future leaders in legal technology will be defined by how effectively they make AI results understandable. Xantaz Legal Hub 3.0 provides the infrastructure for human understanding bandwidth.